Here we go again then with the BT 24 Examiner Secrets, and we are up to Section E. And in particular in Section E, time management principles, we're looking at the core and the non-core principles. So basically the core principles, it says, look, if you want to be really effective and efficient with your time, be really focused and be really organised. And then what will come from that would be the consequences, not the principles. So we'll be more coordinated and we'll be more reliable. But the core principles are being focused and being organised. So let's have a look at a question. What are the principles, i.e. the core principles of effective and efficient time management? Hopefully you can see that reliability is a consequence, non-core consequence. Being focused, that's a core principle, so yes. Being organised, that's a core principle, so yes. And being coordinated is a consequence, not a principle, and that's how you'd answer it. So let's go and have a look at accountancy.com for a similar exam style question. So here we are, and the question wants to know about core time management principles. Being focused, being organised. Coordination, no, not that, because that's just a consequence, isn't it? Prioritising, is that being organised and being focused? If you're prioritising urgent, important tasks, yes, you are. You're being organised. Maintaining strict schedules, yeah, being organised, being focused. Delegating routine work, not that one. We've already chosen two, and they're the two that you need. You already wanted to pick two options, and we got it right. Join us for the next exciting step in this BT Examiner Secrets for 2024 in the next video.